Hello my lovely people, welcome back again to my channel with another video. Hope you guys are doing wonderfully well. Let's make fancy Kenkey smoothie. This recipe was delicious and trust me, you will love it. So I have some fancy Kenkey, apple, banana, some coconut milk, peanuts, some date fruit, and also powdered milk. So these are my ingredients for the smoothie. Let's get into the video. Into my blender, I'll add all my ingredients and blend. If today being your first time here, you are welcome to Getty Books, where I share easy recipes with you. So please consider subscribing to the channel and be part of this amazing family. Okay guys, so thank goes to my new and returning subscribers. God bless you for your marvelous support and love. I wouldn't have been here without you guys, and I do appreciate everything you guys are doing. So after blending, this is our smoothie looking so creamy. I also added some evaporated milk, guys. You will love it when you make this at home with just a few ingredients. You will love it. I also added some peanut to it. So if you find this video interesting, give it a thumbs up and also share this video among your friends and family. Thank you guys so much. Let's enjoy our mashki and see you guys in my next video. Peace be with you all.